Hey guys, welcome back to the DeeTimeLove show, and today I've got a very interesting video. I've got a brand new release from Spinnaker Watches, the new Fluess Chronograph Meca Quartz watch for 2020. Now let's pop this box open. It comes with a traditional Spinnaker box. And there it is, the new Spinnaker Fluess Chronograph in all its glory for 2020. And yeah, first impressions, a relatively attractive timepiece. Let's change perspective and have a closer look at this particular timepiece. Before I go crazy giving you my opinion and impressions of this watch, let's take a closer look and look at this here. You've got that textured dial, these blue hands really do pop. I have to say, very nice indeed. Sorry about the lighting. I'm not in my traditional setup. But anyway, let's take a closer look at the dimensions of this watch. It's 43 millimeters in terms of case diameter. You've got 13 millimeters in terms of case thickness. Now, the lug bandwidth is 22 millimeters. And there's an acrylic insert on the actual bezel. Let's have a little go on the bezel and see how it functions. And let's have a listen to that. Very nice. Very nice. There's a slight little bit of play, but it's almost perfect. And that's Spinnaker. Well done. You've produced a very good bezel indeed. Very nice indeed. It's no play really, but let's have a look at the bracelet. Let's pop the clasp open. I do like these Spinnaker bracelets. They're very good and very good value in terms of the quality that you get. Very nice indeed. You also get a diver's extension. Very nice. Looking at the bracelet, H-link bracelets. I love the brush finishing on the case and on the bracelet. And the bevels are highly finished, polished as well. And yeah, very nice indeed. You can see the date function there at 12 o'clock. This is a VK73 Meca Quartz movement. Let's try out this movement. Let's try out the chronograph function. And this is its real trump card. Just open that a little bit more. Screw down pushers. It's got a smooth second hand because it is a mechanical chronograph with a quartz movement, so it's a hybrid movement for those of you that are not familiar with Meca Quartz. And let's just pop that back. Stamps back like you would on a mechanical watch. Very cool indeed. I love the screw down pushers and screw down crown. It's a VK73 movement, and it's one of these sort of higher end Seiko Meca Quartz movements because you've got the 12 o'clock date will function there as well, and you've got a 24-hour sub dial there at 3 o'clock and the second sub dial at 6 o'clock, and at 9 o'clock you've got the minute counter there as well. Very nice. I do love that textured dial. The blue hands really do pop, I have to say, and the applied Spinnaker logo. Sapphire crystal. Look, it's a pretty good package, I have to say. Spinnaker have done a good job on putting this product together, and it's not going to be for everybody. For your purists will prefer mechanical, but at this price point, it comes in at $315, guys. You know, you can't expect the world. Although, you know, us fellow watch enthusiasts do expect the world, even at a minimal price. But I think what Spinnaker are doing, the package they put together with the bracelet, with the sapphire crystal, with the Meca Quartz, with 150 meters water resistant, I have to say it's very competitive, and there aren't too many watches out there that you'll be able to find a comparison with, I have to say. But let's have a look at the full range, and it comes on a silicone strap, a leather strap as well. I did like the original Fluess Spinnaker automatic, the dive watch, but this is similar. It's just not a fully fledged mechanical watch. It is a Meca Quartz chronograph. So it's got a 73K movement, but this the rest of the range. You can see the dimensions, like I said, 43 case diameter, 30 millimeters case thickness, the VK73, but there is the rest of the range, and they look very nice indeed. I quite like the green one, looks very nice indeed. Check out the Lume. Now, Swiss Luminova, very good. I tested it the other day, and I have to say it was bright and it lasted reasonably long. very good lume, and this is what I come to expect with Spinnaker watches now. They apply lots of layers of lume. But let's change perspective and have a look at the watch on the wrist, and there it is. Fits reasonably well. If I'm being overly critical, you know, I would have preferred it to be at 41, 42 millimeters is my sweet spot for chronograph watches. But it feels like a very sturdy watch. Let's go over the specs one more time to remind you. It's 150 meters water resistant. It's a sapphire crystal. It's got 120 click bezel. Reasonable 150 meters water resistant, Meca Quartz movement, screw down crowns, giving you that reassurance that it will be water resistant, which is always good if you do decide to go for a swim with it. But overall, I do like the watch. And should you shortlist it? Should you consider it? Should you avoid it? Or should you go ahead and buy the timepiece? Well, I think, guys, this is definitely a timepiece that you should definitely consider. It's a very cool piece. Have a look at the description below. I'm offering a considerable discount on all of the Spinnaker watches there. And check out the watch for yourself. But guys, leave your comments below and I'll see you in the next video.